to this.
Look how crispy it is.
These deep fried mushrooms actually taste like meat.
I'm going to try it now.
First, wash your gnocchi mushrooms and instead of cutting them, just pull them apart. Make a batter with rice flour, water, salt, and garlic powder. Then cover your mushrooms in the batter. Then coat them in breadcrumbs and flour before you deep fry it. You can eat this as a snack or with rice.
Look how crispy it is.